What's up, guys? I'm only gonna give myself 1 hour to shoot everything that you're about to see, and it's absolutely pouring outside, so we're gonna see what I can actually create. Echo, what's the weather like right now?
In Columbus, there's a flash flood watch in effect until Monday. Tonight, you can look for thunderstorms with a low of 50 degrees.
I have no option because it's currently Sunday at 6 p.m., so I have to go out and shoot. So, more of the story. No excuses. Alright, it's vlog 40, Gale Force Winds. Run, bro. So, this vlog is, let's clean this guy up. We got my friend Davis right here.
Davis Callio, D-A-V-I-S-K-A-L-L-I-O.
Boom! Dave Montage, he's been here before. If you don't, follow his YouTube channel, Epic Vlogs, every single day. The map is not really rated for high wind and rain. It's like thunderstorming right now, but you know, when you got some videos to shoot, we're gonna, I don't know, I just vlog with some drone footage. Hopefully it goes well.
Hopefully it doesn't get struck by lightning.